Hello kids, let's play a guessing game. Can you guess the fruit by its shadow? Let's start. What fruit is this? Round and red. Yes, it's an apple, red and crunchy. This one is long and yellow. Can you guess? Correct. Banana. Monkeys love it. A bunch of small, round fruits. What is it? They are grapes, sweet and juicy. King of fruits. Can you guess? Yay! It's a mango. So yummy. Big and green outside, red inside. Right! Watermelon. Perfect for summer. Round and orange in color. It's an orange full of vitamin C. Small and red with tiny seeds outside. It's a strawberry, sweet and tasty. Spiky on top, yellow inside. Yes, pineapple, juicy and tangy. Two tiny fruits on one stem. What are they? Yes, cherries, red and yummy. Hard brown shell outside, white inside. Yes, coconut full of water and milk. Sour and yellow. Can you guess? Yes, lemon. Sour but healthy. Soft fruit with fuzzy skin. Yes, it's a peach, sweet and juicy. Looks like a watermelon but lighter. Yes, it's a melon, cool and sweet. Tiny and blue. What's that fruit? Yes, blueberries, small and powerful. Shaped like a bell, green or yellow. Yay, it's a pear, soft and juicy. Is it a vegetable or fruit, red and round? Yeah, it's a tomato, actually a fruit. Green outside, pink or white inside. Yeah, it's a guava full of vitamin C. Orange inside, full of black seeds. Guess it? Yes, it's papaya, soft and healthy. Red outside and full of tiny red seeds. Guess. It's a pomegranate, so crunchy. Brown and fuzzy outside, cream inside. Yes, kiwi, tangy and fresh. Wow, kids, you guessed all the fruits. Great job! Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning.